Hello my friends, Catherine here. Today is, guess what? Unboxing day, and I have this big box all the way from the UK from Literary Lovelies. So let's look inside. Here we have first the card from Literary Lovelies. And hi Catherine, thank you so much for the opportunity to customize these lovely characters for your audio book launch. I hope you'll love them as much as I loved making them. Best wishes, Anna. And Anna also is our blogger, our bookstagrammer, reading in pajamas, and she has this company Literary Lovelies that's also on Instagram at Literary Lovelies. You have to go follow her. And these little precious things are Funko Pops, and they're character Funko Pops for Victoria's Wars audiobook book launch. And oh my gosh, look at this. This is Victoria. She is so cute. She's got her hat and she's got her bags. She's ready to get on the train, and she's a doll. I don't know if you can see her. There she is. I had her face to the side. So there's Victoria. Let's see who else is in here. Oh. Here is our beloved Etta. She's so cute. Oh, I could just cry. Look at the little easel for her painting. And she's got a little paintbrush and the blonde hair and her blue bathrobe. She's just perfect. Oh, I love her. Yeah, I'm getting choked up. I knew I would. And then last but not least, we have Mrs. Cosa, the school teacher, and she has her own stand too. And she is holding, I don't know if you can see it, the earphones and a little teeny tiny Victoria's War audiobook. And these little friends of mine, my character Funko Pops, are going to join me for my audiobook book launch that will be starting later this month, so stay tuned. Here the three of them are. They're just darling. From Literary Lovelies, Victoria, Etta, and Mrs. Cosa. With that little teeny tiny Victoria's War audiobook and those little headphones. I just love them. So stay tuned and you'll see them appear during my audio book launch. See you then.